In this video, we're going to do a deep dive into SEO titles. SEO titles are a radically important part of your on-site optimization. Why? Because it's one of the very first things that Google reads, and it should tell Google exactly what the page is about and what you want the page to rank for. Now, remember, SEO titles are on the back end of the site. There's a special place to put them. If you don't know where to put them on your site, go reference the video that's in this section, and I show you exactly where to put it if you're using Yoast in WordPress, in Squarespace, and in Shopify. Okay, now SEO titles, super important because it gives us the chance to tell Google what the page is all about. It doesn't show up on the front end of the site, but it shows up on the back end. It also appears on the search results page, and it does appear in the little tab of the browser window. Some of the things that I love about them is that you have the opportunity to make it slightly different than the page title, giving Google two opportunities to really kind of get a big umbrella picture of what the page is all about. It is very effective for click-through rates on the search results page. So let's say somebody Googled, your page shows up. That SEO title is one thing that the user is going to read and make that instant decision to click through and go to your site. So they're really important. So some of the best practices are, I want you to put your target keyword, the keyword that you want this page to rank for, towards the beginning. Google gives you about 60 characters on the search results page for your SEO title. If it's too long, you'll get the ... which is totally fine. I'm fine having longer SEO titles if we can put our good keywords in there. But we do need the first 60 characters to be super clear and very focused on what the page is about, because we want people to click on them. Okay. What I want you to avoid when it comes to SEO titles is to be very vague. Like, I do not want your homepage SEO title to be home. I don't want your contact SEO page to be contact. And I don't want your services page to have the SEO title of being services. Now, all of those, home, services, and contact, can be named that in the main navigation or even on the front end of the site, but I do not want that on the back end. Okay, so let's talk about some good examples. So for a service page, as an example, a good SEO title could be SEO services in Northern Virginia, separator, clear strategy, real results, clapping dog media. So in that example, SEO services in Northern Virginia, my services, where I am, between the separator is clear strategy, real results, amazing for SEO, and then another separator and clapping dog media, my brand name. It's a great example. Another one could be social media management, done for you, content and strategy, brand name, plus the brand name. Virtual CFO services, financial strategies for growing businesses, plus brand name. Those are great service page examples because they tell you what it is, the results, and your brand name. Now, if you're doing a blog article, a blog post, a good SEO title is slightly different than the page title. And it could be something like local SEO checklist, 27 ways to rank in your city. That's an example. Or how to write SEO titles, a step-by-step guide plus examples. That's a great SEO title. If you are doing product pages, if you have an e-commerce site, a good SEO title could be organic cotton yoga mats, eco-friendly exercise equipment, plus your brand name. So I hope you're starting to realize that it's like a little bit of a formula. It's keyword plus benefit plus brand, or a number like 27 ways plus keyword plus promise. These Formulas are in the notes for this video. These are great templates for you to use for your SEO titles. I want you to go through your site, look at your SEO titles, and update them as needed. Start with the main pages of your site: home, services, contact, portfolio, and then go through your blog, podcast, or video art pages and update each and every SEO title. It's going to make a giant difference to the ranking and Google's understanding of your site.